What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So like I said over on my crypto channel, I don't know if I call it my crypto channel. It's my main channel where I mainly talk about crypto over there. Crypto has been moving today. It absolutely skyrocketed to a whole nother level. And the reason being to why it skyrocketed to a whole nother level is because of some significant news that we had earlier in the morning. And I even needed to make a live stream about it and talk about the crypto market and as it is thriving, because early in the morning when I first made my my first live stream, things were not looking good for crypto. They were looking kind of flat. Things weren't moving. Some things were falling back quite a bit. But then all of a sudden you had things skyrocket. Bitcoin was up 6%. Ethereum was up 5%. You saw BNB that was up 3%. Bitcoin Cash is up like 15% or something. And it's just a lot of hype that's going into crypto. Sorry, my voice is like really scratchy. So hopefully I can get through this video, but we'll see. But we're going to be talking about Coinbase stock in this video and why things are thriving for Coinbase stock. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also down below. It does help out with the channel and growth and all of that stuff. But, you know, what's crazy is that, you know, I thought I was done live streaming for the day. Came back on to go and check the markets and see what videos I can create for the day. And I was like, wow, the markets look fantastic. The stock market looks good, and a lot of tech stocks. Certain plays that I have as my recently viewed look amazing. So I'm like, okay, this looks fantastic. What's going on? So then I go in there and see that, you know, Grayscale has won. Grayscale has won. And, you know, the Bitcoin ETF could be coming a lot sooner, meaning that we have a ton of adoption potential in cryptocurrency. So I'll get into that in a little bit. God, my voice just tickles every time I talk. So I apologize. We'll get through this, but you're going to have to bear with me. Let's go ahead and dive into this though. Currently, Coinbase is actually at $85.14. It's up 15% today from the previous close of $73.71 to now $85.16, up 15.6465 whatever, right? It's up 15%, or $11.45 there. We're seeing $21 million worth of, or 21 million shares worth of volume versus the 14.9 million that's on average. So we're definitely seeing a higher amount. I would think that it would be significantly higher than that, but it's probably a significant amount of buy volume that's going into it. Now, if you look at what has transpired, right, literally from the open, we saw this start to increase with, I guess, the premise on, or the basis on that decision. But then as you saw that happen, boom, everything just completely skyrocketed to a whole nother level, hitting a high of $86.26 before decreasing using the, using the VWAP as the form of support. It increased up here and hit that high again, creating a double top scenario. Hopefully we can see this continue. It is closer to the end of the day, being 237 right now. But again, it's up 15+%. Which is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. I do want to go over here and look at the chart here monthly, and you can see how much potential this does have, and people want this to get back up to the 200 EMA as time goes on, which would be $256. So it definitely has a lot of growth potential. It's just whether cryptocurrency will be heavily adopted. And with the Bitcoin ETF, that's something that shows a ton of adoption. And Coinbase being the main player in the US, you know, that's something that's absolutely huge. So anyways, let's get into kind of that information as to why, you know, we're seeing that. So this is it, where Grayscale wins court ruling over SEC's denial of Bitcoin ETF. Coinbase jumps, and you see that up 15%. So Grayscale Investments won a federal court ruling, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission must vacate It's a rejection of Grayscale's attempt to convert Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into an Bitcoin exchange traded fund. A Grayscale Bitcoin Trust soared 15%, while Coinbase jumped 14% on the news. A 3-judge appeals panel in Washington on Tuesday vacated a decision, by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission that blocked the ETF and sent it back to the regulator, according to the court opinion. This throat is really bothering me. So I guess what you saw is that Grayscale sued the SEC last June after the agency felt that its products failed to meet the requirements designed to prevent fraudulent acts and protect investors. Grayscale CEO Michael, don't know how to say your last name, Sonnen Sheen, argued that U.S. regulators were discriminating against the cryptocurrency investment firm by continuing to deny approval to exchange traded funds based on the spot price for a Bitcoin. Now, the ruling could potentially pave the way for other ETFs, or spot ETFs. Early last month, BlackRock refiled its application with the SEC to roll out an ETF that invests directly in Bitcoin. The asset manager moved to add new details to its proposed spot Bitcoin ETF. Came after the SEC reportedly said recent applications by BlackRock and others were inadequate. So the reason why, again, this is big news for cryptocurrency as a whole, and I've said this in my other video, is because it approves adoption, and that you're going to see bigger institutions and businesses adopt crypto, or at least adopt a portion of it by investing with this ETF and not necessarily directly with Bitcoin. So it's interesting because it shows that people support Bitcoin in a way, support the growth of Bitcoin, but without actually investing directly into that. It means a lot. It means a ton for the crypto space. And that's why you see crypto as a whole absolutely skyrocketing. And then you see Coinbase as a whole making a move like it's making, up 15% in the day. And honestly, I see nothing but growth from here, as long as you can see that continuation of this adoption. But I want to know your guys' opinion. What do you feel about this? Is this significant? Is this something that's going to be a big player in the future? Are you going to see Coinbase back up to $200+? Let me know your opinion. Guys, if you could, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.